I'm going to show you how you can connect a forget password option in your login form in your website. So let me show you. Let's say you have this website here, you have your own website, and you want whenever maybe your users forget password, they can be able to reset the password and receive a link on their email address so that they can reset maybe the password of their account. So like an example, I have this sample form here. I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how you can achieve that. So when I click forget password, I will see where I'll be requested to input the email address that I registered my account with. So, or the one that I use to register my account and I want to reset the password with. So in this case, I'm going to use this email address. When I click send reset link, I will see this notification that a recent link has been sent to your email. Please check your mailbox. Now, when I go into my mailbox, I'll be able to see this email address from WenCreatives, and this is where I can be able to reset the password. So when I click that email, I'll see a reset password option, and it will expire in 1 hour. You can adjust it however you want. So now when I come here and click reset password, I'll see this option. I'll be requested to input the new password that I want and to confirm the new password that I want to be using. So I'll just input this and then I confirm. So when I click reset password, I'll be able to see this. Congratulations, I have been able to reset the password. But this is for you as a developer. If you want to have this process, or maybe you want to connect your app or maybe your login form with this reset password option, this video is for you. If you want to achieve all that, I have this source code here. You can click the link on my description. You'll be able to see all this source code. So in this video, I'm going to touch a few things, how you can be able to achieve this. So whenever you want to have this into your website or maybe web app, you will be able to have this code. I'll give all this source code and I will instruct you on all the dependencies that you will need to install so that you can run this forget password or maybe this login form into your web app. So in this case, I have used PHP and MySQL database, and also I want to show you how it looks like. So this is how my database looks like. It's just a simple one, but you as a developer, you can adjust it or maybe build it the way you want. For me to be able to achieve all this, I need something that is the most important thing so that I can be able to run all this and be able to reset password or maybe be able to achieve the forget password option in my login form. So what I need to do first, I need to the SMTP password, and that SMTP password, I need to guide you on how you can get it. So what we normally do to get this SMTP password, we normally go into our Gmail. So for my case, I'm going to use Gmail. So I normally go into my Gmail. When I click my Gmail, I come here to the search and I'll be able to search app password. So when I search app password, I should be able to see the app password, and I'll be requested to input the password so that I can be able to log in. I want to show you how you can get the app password and how to configure it, but the source code you will get it on my description. So when I come here, I'll just need to input my password so that I can proceed and get the app password that I will use into my code. After I have successfully logged in using the password, I'll be able to see this. Remember, we have logged in into where we have app password. So whenever you click a password, you will be requested to input the password and be able to proceed and log in so that you can be able to get that app password. So I can come here and create any name. I can just use any name of my app. I can just say to give my app any name. Like let me call my app forget password. Just call it that name, and then I click create. So whenever I click create, you will be normally given this, your app password. It is a one time. So whenever you copy this code, make sure you save it somewhere because it is only shown at once. What you do, just copy it and then click done. So now you'll see your forget password will appear here. Your forget password app will appear here. So what you do next, you go back into your code and in this source code that I will give you, will have a config option. So what you need to do is to come here and paste your app password here according to what Google has given you. So remove all these spaces remove all these spaces. Then the SMTP user is the email address that you have used to get the app password. So for my case, let me come here and check the Gmail that I used to get the app password, and this is the Gmail. So you will use yours so that you can be able to use as the app or SMTP user. You will use your Gmail, and then the app password or maybe the SMTP password, you will use what Google will give you. So, and then something else, the SMTP port is always 587, and the SMTP host is smtp.gmail.com. But maybe if you're using other mail services, you'll just use a different one. So whenever you have this, mine is currently running locally. So the database name is form. As you can see here, it's form. So you'll just name yours according to, you can see mine is form. So you just name yours here according to your database name, and then the DB user is root, and then host is localhost. So guys, that's how you can achieve that. So whenever someone tries to forget password, they will be able to receive the reset password links on their email. So guys, that's how you can achieve that. I will attach a full guide, a README guide on how you can do all that and how you can be able to install all those dependencies. So I used PHP, so you'll need to install Composer and all that. I will guide you on that on the description. So guys, make sure you like this video if it's your first time to visit this channel. So guys, something else, if you have any question, just comment below and I'll be able to assist you. So guys, that's how you can achieve the forget password into your code using PHP and in MySQL, using PHP and MySQL database to connect your form or login form with a forget password option. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video and see you in the next video. Happy coding. Thank you.